Mobilizing Supporters, a key to success. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting and useful phrase, mobilize supporters. Understanding this phrase not only enhances your vocabulary but also gives you insight into how groups or individuals gather support for a cause or action. Let's dive into what it means to mobilize supporters and see it in action. First, let's break down the phrase starting with mobilize. To mobilize means to organize and encourage people or resources to move towards a specific goal. It's about getting ready for action, especially in a coordinated way. This term is often used in both military contexts, like preparing troops for combat, and civilian contexts, like organizing a community project or a political campaign. Now, let's talk about supporters. Supporters are people who back or endorse a certain cause, individual, or group. They show their support through actions, words, or resources. Supporters are crucial because their backing can significantly influence the success of a cause or campaign. When we combine these terms, mobilize supporters refers to the process of organizing and encouraging a group of people who support a cause to take coordinated action. This could involve various activities, such as spreading awareness, raising funds, volunteering, or participating in events. It's all about harnessing the power of community to achieve a common goal. To illustrate, let's look at a few examples. Political campaigns. Politicians mobilize supporters to canvass neighborhoods, distribute literature, and get out the vote on election day. Social movements. Activists mobilize supporters to participate in protests, sign petitions, and engage in social media campaigns to bring about change. Charity events. Nonprofit organizations mobilize supporters to organize fundraising events, volunteer for community service, and spread the word about their cause. Mobilizing supporters is a powerful strategy used across various fields to achieve goals and bring about change. Understanding this phrase not only enriches your vocabulary but also gives you insight into the dynamics of collective action. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Remember, language is a tool for connection and change. Keep learning, and see you in the next video.